How to use the private messaging system in Joomla. This tutorial assumes you are already logged into your Joomla Admin Panel. The private messaging system allows you to send a message to another user without having to email all registered users. Let's send a message now. Go to Tools. Click Write Message. Select the user from the drop-down menu. Enter a subject. Type your message. Scroll right. Click Send. Let's view our messages. Click Tools. Then click Read Messages. Click on the subject to view the message. Now you can reply to the message or delete it. Scroll right. Click Delete. That's it! You now know how to use the private messaging system in Joomla.